Before diving into what a GRN, goods received note, is, let's first understand the entire purchase process between you and your supplier. When your company places an order, it will create a purchase order, detailing each product and the quantities required. Once the supplier sends the goods, your company will generate a goods received note. A goods received note is a document used in inventory management and procurement to confirm the receipt of goods delivered by the supplier. At this stage, you will compare the actual quantities received with those listed on the purchase order. You may refuse some products if they are damaged or not up to standard, or you might receive fewer quantities than expected. You can quickly create a goods received note in draft status. If you print it while it's still a draft, it can function as a purchase order to send to the supplier. Creating the purchase order like this works well for small businesses. However, as your business grows, you'll need a more structured and automated document cycle. That's where XSeen ERP comes in. Designed to support the complete document cycle, it's an ideal solution for medium to large businesses, ensuring seamless management and scalability. When the goods arrive, you can edit the draft goods received note as needed and then post it to make it affect the stock in the system. You can easily convert the goods received note into a bill by clicking this button, streamlining the payment process. While the number of goods received note copies depends on your organization's operational policies, there are typically 4 copies. 1 is sent to the accounting department for payment processing and record keeping. 1 is provided to the supplier as proof of goods received. 1 is retained by the warehouse or store department for inventory tracking and reconciliation. 1 is sent to the procurement or purchase department to verify and close the purchase order. For example, when the supplier sends the invoice, you can easily store it in the digital archive using XSeen Lite. You can set specific currencies for each supplier, which will appear in the document. To add additional currencies, simply click the eye icon and configure them. You can add products in 2 ways, importing them from an Excel sheet or adding them directly into the system. By clicking the magnifying glass icon, you can view all products and search for them easily using advanced search or simple search boxes. When you double-click on a product, it will automatically be added to the goods received note. If the product is expirable, the system will display the stock you already have and its associated expiry dates. Each expiry date will have its own barcode to help track stock efficiently. You can also create a new expiry date by selecting the date and unit, and then clicking Get Barcode. The system shows you the new cost of the item, the latest cost you purchased it at, and the difference. This helps you detect any price changes effectively. Once the product is added, you can set the received quantity and the book quantity, the amount recorded in the system. You can also adjust the packing, and the totals will be calculated automatically. That's it for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to keep up with our upcoming videos.